Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Margot Elena fall box. I am so excited to get in here, so let's check it out. In case you are new to Margot Elena is a designer and perfumer that's kind of reinventing the modern bath and body category, and she has a great website which I'll tell you about in just a second, because just like I tell you each month when I get in to do this, this has sold out already. This is the fall box and the fall box is sold out. And I usually tell you a story now about set your alarm, go back in a couple of months, at least a month before the next one is due to come out, and you will be able to subscribe to that box. It's sold out. I don't know what's happening, but her fall and winter boxes are already sold out. I love the box. You guys know I have done the box for over a year at least on the channel, probably a year and a half, and I love it so much. But now to sign up for it, you've got to sign up for spring of next year. And I believe she still has you pay now when you sign up. And I know, I'm with you. I don't think I would pay 6 months in advance for a subscription box either, but I'm not sure that that's not what you're going to have to do to get this subscription box. It just sold out so quickly. Right after I put up my summer box, I had heard that the summer and fall box had already sold out. And then like a month later, I had heard winter had already sold out. She was doing a wait list. I don't know if she still is, but let me show you what's in here, because she does have a website and sells her products on her website. And I love the value in the subscription box. That said, I also love the products that she sells. This is a $49.99 subscription box, but it's going up, I believe, to $54.99, and you pay shipping. I think I pay $6.95, but it depends on where it's going to. All right, I've just cut into it, and I'm going to show you opening it, because that's one of the beauties of this box. It's always so pretty. I mean, it's just, every bit of it is so pretty. All right, opening it up. It's also very heavy this month. That is what it looks like. See how gorgeous? Her pretty pink paper and the flowers, they're just beautiful. We get a little piece of paper that just basically tells us the names of what we're getting in here. And when we open it up, let's see if it's pretty. It's all gorgeous stuff, but she wraps it so well that sometimes the initial ooh-ah isn't there. Now we're down to bubble wrap. Let's keep going. And that is what it looks like on the inside. So the fall box theme is crisp and colorful, and this is box number 12, fall edition Margot Elena, and that is what the card looks like. And on the inside, it just basically gives us the names of each of the items we're receiving. And on this side, we have a little note that says, a colorful retreat amidst rustling leaves and bustling days. May this carefully curated fall discovery box be a cozy retreat for your body and mind, full of warm fragrances, skin nurturing formulas, and captivating beauty. Treat yourself to some of our favorite comforts tailored to the season. And it also says that it has a $214 value. And again, this was $49.99, but it is going up to $54.99. I think maybe next season, and you pay shipping. But that's still 25% of what this would cost you to buy it on the website. Digging right in, and right on top, I have the Lalia Imagine Flowering Willow and Lotus Shea Butter Hand Cream. Look how pretty that is. Her packaging is divine. And look, it matches my purple. Of course, I don't match my purple so well. It's fall. I wanted to bring a little fall color. And I hope it is Lalia. I always say Lalia, not Lolia. By the way, this says it's number 71, but I've never heard her say it, so we'll just hope I'm right. And when we open it up, it's so pretty. And she uses the metal tins, so as you squeeze them, I just love them. And right off the bat, after I've told you how much I love this box, and it is absolutely one of my favorite boxes, I will also tell you the one downside that I always find with it. It's got the metal tin tops, and she doesn't give us the lids that have the pokey poke. So I have to take my unpacking knife and poke it down in there while attempting not to poke myself. Okay, so when we take it out, it's a nice thick hand cream. Let's see what it smells like, because that's what this is all about. I love her hand creams. They are very moisturizing, but what I love most about Margot Elena is how pretty everything is and how gorgeous it smells. Oh, that's so pretty and fresh. Admittedly, a little spring-like to my way of thinking. but it smells good. And now the back of my hands are super soft. I love her hand creams. And on the inside of the box, it's got a little quote that says, "Imagination is the soul's happiest retreat, James Basford." It's just the little touches. It's just the little touches. And the box tells us that this is a botanically lush hand cream with rich ingredients. Macadamia nut and avocado oils are blended to comfort and soothe skin. Beneficial hydrating extracts of aloe and shea butter lightly moisturize, while delicate infusions of coconut blooms, vanilla orchid, and white musk leave the skin deliciously refreshed. Did I even show it to you close? That's the whole beauty of this. It is a 4-ounce hand cream and it has a $26 value. So pretty. Okay, reaching in next, like it's Christmas, I'm going to get something that is wrapped in pretty pink paper. Actually going to save this for my giveaways. And this is in a cute little Ziploc to keep everything good and protected. So if there was a leaking problem, it would only be with this. I love it when they take that extra care. And this is the Violet Fig and Black Currant Fine Salt Scrub. That is awesome. We have actually had this scent before and I love it. I had it in just the shower gel and it was a good one. And it's so heavy. How many ounces does it say? It says it's 284 grams. I'm not sure in American what that is. The paperwork tells us it has a $28 value, and this says, "Honey Sweet Fig yields a remarkable extract that helps nourish, soften, and revitalize your skin. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, B, and C, Fig happily rejuvenates and revitalizes." Oddly enough, this is made in the USA, but it's 284 grams. I find those two pieces of information to be incongruous. Our fruit-packed Spa to Go scrub has hydroscopic honey that holds moisture, luscious cocoa butter, and apricot kernel oil to help soften and soothe your skin, while nutrient-rich blueberry extract fights environmental stress. Let's put a little bit of this on the back of my hand and see what it looks like. So it's kind of white. Can you see all the exfoliating bits in it? Let's see. Oh wow, it is super exfoliating. Can you guys see it now? Ooh. With winter coming, this is awesome. Oh, it smells so good and refreshing, just like the shower cream did. This is the perfect, with that fig, this is the perfect fall scent. And I'm just taking advantage of this scrub here to go ahead and scrub the back of my hands. It feels so good. But now that I rubbed it in, it's just really, it smells so good. So I just took a face wipe and wiped all of that off the back of my hands, and now the back of my hands are so soft that I'm tempted to use that hand cream, but I'm not sure what else I'm gonna come across in here, so we'll wait and see what we get. Reaching in next, another nicely pink wrapped tissue paper. And then inside, also in bubble wrap, looks like it's gonna be perfume. We usually get some sort of perfume. There is a theme to this. Usually you get some kind of body wash or body scrub, hand cream, a perfume. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is the Tokyo Milk Neptune and the Mermaid, number 49, Song of the Siren. And that is what that looks like. That is so pretty. And from the back, I'm telling you what, I'm not going to spray this because if you guys saw, I got, months ago in a LUXSB, which is a perfume subscription, I actually got this scent and I liked it, but I haven't used it all. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside for a giveaway because how fun would that be? Would you guys let me know below? Do you think perfumes are just a little too personal to put in a giveaway? Let me know below what you guys think, but I really liked this. And the paperwork just tells us that it's the Tokyo Milk, Neptune, and the Mermaid, Song of the Siren Eau de Perfume, $44 value. And on the back it says pressed petals, rosewater, mandarin, aqua, and marine. So if that draws a picture for you, those are the notes. Reaching in next, and I'm already excited because it's soap and I love, they do the Tokyo Milk soaps. This is a Library of Flower soap. Look how pretty that is with the stags on the front. It's just so rich looking. I'm gonna have information on the back. I love all of the soaps that I have ever gotten associated with Margot Elena. And the back of this says that it is the Shea Butter Perfumed Soap, and this says that it is the Field and Flower Soap with an $11 value. It smells so nice and fresh. And look how pretty it is for fall. It's just, I know, it's just more of the pretty. You guys have got to get tired of hearing me say, It's so pretty during this unboxing because everything is so pretty. Reaching in next, we have a Tokyo Milk. Oh, it's a lip gloss. Plus it's like makeup. It's not one of the pots like we usually get. We quite often get the pot of Tokyo Milk lips. To use, smooth onto your lips for a kiss of shimmer. Oh, it's pretty. You find another word. Oh, look, it's... Nope, pretty's all I've got. Look how pretty that is. And down here you can see that it's just a kind of pinkish color. Take the... Oh, it's very tight. Good for them. It's just a doe foot applicator. What does it smell like? Kind of minty, I think. I'm going to look over here for a minute. I didn't expect to do makeup, so I moved my mirror. Of course, now I've put a little bit of my lipstick on here. I like it. Just a little bit of shine. Absolutely no stickiness. There is no sticky tacky to this at all. I like that a lot. That's kind of fun. Surprise makeuping in the middle of my Bath & Body box. Love it. And the box says, bring your lips to life with moisture-rich radiance. Dewy pout meets radiant shimmer for an out-of-this-world luster. Right, well, I am very excited about that. Reaching in next because it's the gift that keeps on giving. And again, once I got that one unwrapped, it's in a Ziploc bag, so if there were a problem, it would be contained. Much respect. As a girl who unboxes a lot of boxes, I totally respect that game. And this is a moisture-rich shower oil and body wash. That sounds awesome. Wish it had a pump. A pump would make using this a lot easier, but there is, let me double check the box. There is no pump. It says cleanse and quench all at once. Lather up while layering on natural mega moisturizers, cocoa butter and coconut oil with humectant honey to help hydrate the skin. Our silky shower solution is anti-soap, not moisture stripping, and is pro Renew You, gentle foaming and moisture replenishing. A double daring formula that rinses completely away, leaving your skin incredibly soft and sublimely scented. Once you try it, you will make the switch happily forever after. A sensational solution for shaving as well. So this is a cottage greenhouse product. So generally what we get in the Margot Elena is Margot Elena, the cottage greenhouse, Tokyo Milk, and Lolia. I knew there was another one. And generally it's those products. And I think they are all in-house brands. And this is Sugar Beet and Blossom. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells so good. I wish there was a lotion to match this. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to try this. Oh, that smells so good. This has a $22 value. Next we have, and I unearthed this looking for a pump to go with that, a print. And it's the Margot Elena Happy Home by Ellen Everett print. Let Us Live Like Flowers. And that is what that looks like. And it's just a frameable print, but it's hard. Like it's thick, like not cardboard, but like an old-fashioned postcard. You know how they were really firm? But that is what it looks like. And it says, this is a Let Us Live Like Flowers. I think it's diptych. I think that's how you say it. We are delighted to collaborate with poet and author of I Saw You as a Flower, Ellen Everett, on these limited edition prints. We are in love with her work. Check it out. And the paperwork says this has a $28 value. How's it look? Oh, I think the color might go nicely. Kind of fall-like. Do you think it's fall-like enough? Let me know below. I think with all of... Actually, I put these flowers over here after my nice... I mean, I'm building a whole theme there. This was after my trend mood. These were in my trend mood box, so now I have a whole fall theme going on. Working toward fall. Last but not least, oh my goodness, this is so heavy. We have a Lolia perfumed candle. Oh my goodness. We almost always get a candle in here, but it's usually one of these. This is last month's, and it was the Lolia Always in Rose. I'm thinking it's something bigger than this in here. So this is number 32, Dandelion. Interesting for fall. Oh, wow. It's huge. Oh, it smells so good, but it smells very spring-like to me. It's got the pretty Lolia. See the I'm try and get that so you can see it. I hope that that's coming across. It has her imprint here in the glass. That is the there we go. It is the Lalia imprint, and she uses the L's. To me, it always looks kind of like a Tory Burch imprint, which, I mean, there's no shame in that. But just the way that the L's go, it really makes me think of a Tory Burch imprint. I'm hoping that shows. Oh, you know what? Here it is on the label in case it's not showing great. It's number 32. This is huge and nice. It smells so good, but I think very spring-like to me. I will probably add it to my theme I have going on because it's gorgeous. But I think it's definitely, to my way of thinking, I think it's a springy scent. If this is a box that you get, let me know below. What do you think? And this is a $34 value. I believe that. This is heavy and gorgeous. I can't believe they chose to ship this. I mean, it's heavy. You know what? There is a better picture of her. See how, doesn't that make you think of the Tory Burch? It does me. That is, I'm just going to keep holding this because it smells so good. That is the Margot Elena box for fall. It is sold out. Winter is sold out. So now we're down to spring, and I would normally say wait till closer to spring. You don't want to pay for it now if you're not going to get it until spring. If this is a box that you can't live without and you have the ability, I would try and buy the spring one now. I just don't know how quickly it's going to sell out. These sold out so quickly. So let's review what I got here. We got this gorgeous Lalia candle. Even the packaging, how pretty is that? I mean, it's a really firm cardboard. It's so pretty. The Cottage Greenhouse shower oil and body wash. The Library of Flowers soap. We got the surprise makeuping with a little bit of lip gloss. There's the Cottage Greenhouse violet fig and black currant scrub that, oh, I never put lotion on the back of my hands. That felt so nice. The Tokyo Milk perfume, which I'm going to set aside. And the Flowering Willow and Lotus Shea Butter hand cream. Isn't it all just gorgeous and so usable? I mean, who isn't going to burn a candle or take a shower or want to exfoliate or, the way things are going these days, need hand cream? Lip gloss, soap. I mean, so useful, so beautiful. It all smells so good. I just love it. Let me know below what you guys think. Do you think that it is a box worth waiting for? Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like if you like the video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys really soon. Take care and have a great day, guys.